YouTube. So basically this video, as the title states, it's gonna be my washing style or whatever. So I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I'm sorry, but I forgot to record how my hair looked after I took off the do-rags. It's like 2 days later. So yeah, we're just gonna, get into that. And that's how I'm working. Take glasses off. That's how I'm working. See? Oh, oh, my thighs hurt. Yeah. But yeah, that's how we rocking with the waves or whatever. Yeah, so if you want to know, how I got my hair to look like this or whatever, or my routine for my hair, keep watching. Period. So first you just wet your whole head in the water, and then you get your little Eden's All Natural Cleansing Co-Wash, and you put some of that in your hands and you just rub it all around your hair, in the direction that your waves go, of course, because why would you do it any differently? Then I only have one brush. I got this one hard brush. If you want me to get another one, then buy me one. And I just brush all the co-wash through my hair. And then after I feel like it's been brushed, to my heart's content, I rinse it out. And whenever I'm rinsing it out, I also brush it in the shower. Like I brush it under the water to get all the co-wash out. And then, I repeat. I do it twice, but I obviously didn't show y'all that. But anyway, this is how my waves are looking. Alright, so I'm out the shower or whatever, and that's how I'm looking. You feel me? That's how I'm looking. Alright, so basically, I'm new to this little wave thing. So what I do is I get my castor oil and put a little bit of that in my hands. See, I like pour it in the cap, and then I'll just put some in my hands or on my finger or whatever. Put that on my hands, and then you rub it together. Put it on our hair. See? Cause I ain't got no grease or no like pomade or. Oh, I sound like a man. I'm so sorry, but woo. But I ain't got no like grease or nothing or no pomade or nothing like that. Whatever they got, So that's what I do. Put a little more over here. Now, honey, you brush and 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 brush and brush and brush, honey, until your heart is content. Period. I'm not the type that brush all day long. I just don't feel like it, so I'm not going to. So usually what I do is I brush at night, and in the morning. All right, so yeah, I don't know if y'all could see my waves when I was doing it, but this is how it's looking. They real frizzy or whatever, so don't judge me, cause I just started on this journey. You feel me? Just started trying to get the waves or whatever. So since it is really frizzy and I'm just starting or whatever. Oh, this is a hard brush. I only got one brush. Like I said, I just started and I'm broke, so I'm not gonna go buy a bunch of brushes. If you have a problem with it, buy me a brush. But what I do have is 2 do-rags. So I double up. I'm gonna put this back like that. But yeah, so I put my little do-rag on. And I do it like stupid tight. Like after I wash my hair, I do it stupid tight. Because I want to lay down, you feel me? I'm with that thing like laid, like lay like, I don't know, like some bricks. That's the only analogy that came to mind. But I want that thing laid so suffocate your scalp. No, don't do that. But you know, tie it kind of tight. Then make sure you pull this little thing back in the back. Pull this little thing down. Make sure that's tight. So it's laying everything down or whatever. Fix your little straps. Excuse me. And like I said, I double up, so get my other one. And this one's a little bit thinner. I don't know why, but it is. Like, I literally got it from the same place. I got my rags on Amazon. I'm about to buy some more because they was really cheap actually. Alright, so you know what? I should have really washed my hair first. That might have been smart. Well, oh well. Wash my hair. Oh my gosh, I'm slow. Wash my face. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for my illiteracy. And you gotta pull this one down too because you know it gotta be tight. You gotta be tight. Period. Period. Now I look like somebody's son. But that's fine, because I'm going to sleep. Because I had track practice and I'm tired. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below anything else that y'all want me to do. Anything that you liked about this video. And yeah. Period. Bye.